What's going on, family? Back in the garage again. Yeah, man. Doing some more stuff to the vet. Today, man, we're going to start thinking like the big truckers, man. Yes, sir. We're going to focus on some mud flaps. Yeah. Yes, sir. Man, I hope you guys are actually having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Yeah, man, we focusing on getting some mud flaps. Well, I'll show you guys in just a second, man. But before we get into that, welcome to the channel, man. All the new subscribers, we got a lot of new subscribers to the channel, and I know I haven't been posting, and well, let me stop saying that because I have been posting recently. But to all the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. You guys can be anywhere right now, doing anything, watching anything else. For all of you guys that are watching the channel right now, welcome to the channel. I don't know why I'm stuttering. Could be because I'm a little chilly, a little perturbed. I didn't turn the heat on soon enough in the garage. But, man, you know, we're not going to be in here that long, so it's okay. It's okay. It's all good, man. Hey, man, we got a new saying. Remember, man, we got the LBM, baby. Hashtag LBM, man. Like button matters. Guys, you got to smash the like button. Go on, hit that like button, man. I'm going to wait. Go ahead. It really does matter. It really does matter. It helps with the algorithm. Go on, smash that like button, baby. Although I don't have the 300 anymore, it's all good, man. But I still love to see those 3100s in the comments. Go on through those 3100 in the comments, man. Y'all can do that right now, man. Get that out the way real quick. Yeah. But anyway, guys, thank you for coming through. And we're doing another add-on into the vehicle, onto the vet. I'm sniffling because it's chilly. I had the garage door open, man. We had just all kind of stuff right here. My wife took getting rid of stuff. And a lot of it was recycling and trash and things that we had to get rid of. So I had this garage door open, man. And, you know, underestimated how long I was going to be out there messing with it, with the garage door open. And, yeah, man. It got chilly in here. My hands are freezing. Trying to warm up again. I think we're in the 20s right now outside. Probably going down into the teens. And we're getting the garage warmed up again, man. We look like we're just around 64 degrees. So we're warming up real nice, man. But probably don't even need to keep it on because I'm telling you, man, this is going to be a quick one. Let me show you what we got. We have, and I know I say mud guards, man. I mean, it's kind of like that, right? I guess. Let me show y'all what we got, man. Let me take this out of the way. Flip this down. My little makeshift table. Man, look, man, I apologize. Look at this crap I got up here. I just need to clean my desk off, man, so I can actually work on this thing. This is ridiculous. Catfish, man, I had some of this for you, bro. I told you I got that gallon, but you went and bought it. It's all good. Do your thing. But anyway, man. So this is what we doing, man. They're not necessarily mud flaps, but you know what? This is what mud flaps do. But for this, it's rock guards. We need these for the vet. Let me tell you, man. This thing with these tires kick up rocks. And because of the body, the wide body on it, the rocks from the front go all the way back. Let me show you where it hit. Let's expose all this beauty, all this sexy. Yes, it's right here. It can come all the way over and hit the door and hit right here as that air, because the air grabs him and they smack, smack, smack all across here. So right here we do have some protective wrap on there to kind of protect it a little bit. But what we're gonna do is protect it a lot of bit. We're gonna put those guards on. Now on the rear, we got it for the front and the rear. On the rear, those rocks kick up and they can hit along here and under here. We have something for underneath as well. We're gonna take care of that as well. But for now, we're gonna focus on, man, them lights look good. The guards. So when I was installing the lights, I took the guards off and I didn't put them back on for a reason. For this reason right here, so that we can actually install the extra large XL rock guards. XL, why do they call them XL? So if you look at the picture, right, they actually stick out a little bit more. They got another set that only sticks out like, I want to say maybe a ½ inch or so. I don't know. But it's not as much as these that stick out. Now it doesn't stick out to a point where it causes or hinders flow of air, or this is still aerodynamic, right? So the cool part is it just snaps in place, and it has screw in from an existing screw point from the old ones. Let's see what they look like in comparison. And I think I got them in here. All right. So this is one of the originals, right? Got a little rubber on there. Got a little rubber on there. This is the inside, right? This is the inside, this is the inside. So y'all can see, right? So the original, I'm blowing this up for you guys. Not easy on this little rocking thing with one hand. You see what we get extra? Just a little extra protection to keep the rocks from tearing up the car. Let's flip it over and show you guys the other side so you can see what I'm saying. When you line it up, man, I swear, we need to get my desk back, man. This ain't gonna work. All right, so we line it up, you know, notch for notch. We got about 1 inch, man. We got about 1 inch at the very bottom, at least, and a little bit on the side, and it tapers off. And it's carbon flash to match the other trim. And this thing go on, so that's why I say it's gonna be a quick and easy install. I'm gonna show y'all what's happening, man. Show y'all what's happening. I'm gonna do this. We already put those screws in. We're just gonna come here, like so. Oh, it's installed. All we gotta do now is put that last bolt underneath, and we are good to go. That's it. It's that simple. Matter of fact, I think I need to put it underneath. Let's see. Does it go in here? Yeah, it goes in. My bad, guys. But ain't no problem. We still can do that, though. And still line everything up. Put everything where it goes. Click, click, click. Make sure this is going where I want this to go. These things are right. Yep. Let's go like that. Let's put that one. Oh, it's twisted. My bad. When I took the other one out, it's twisted. Yep. Like that. And it's in. That's simple. And this is what it gives us. All right? It gives us a little bit more wide in the back and protects from rocks from kicking up too much. So it adds to the wide body and gives it appearance. That looks kind of hard to see, but it looks good, man. So we're gonna go over here to the front. In the front has the same thing. And they just pull it off, man. These are real simple, man. Got anything catching on the other side? Let me see if we got any screws at the bottom. I don't know, I don't just read the instructions. I probably got one screw in here. Let me see, man. Yep, I got one, maybe one screw down here. Let me see. Yep, one screw. Yeah, it might be easy if I just read the instructions, but a lot of this stuff is so easy to take off and put on. So give me a second, let me get a wrench. And it's probably the same as all the other ones. I think that's a 7mm. Give me a second, man. All right, so got the wrench. I'm gonna just get in here and take that screw off the bottom real quick so y'all can see how simple this is. Super simple, super simple. Get my hand on this thing right. There we go. Oops. You got these big old paws working on this car. You're fun. How simple that is. And this is the inside of the new one. Turn this around so you guys can see. All right. Back side, we got to slide this part in. Then we line these up and we're in business. That's simple. That's simple. This is under the bottom. All right, let's get it right there. Looky. Let's screw back in. This car is so low, and these big old paws don't make it easy, bro. I swear it don't make it easy. There we go. this is gonna keep the rocks from slinging all on the side of the vehicle, man. Isn't that cool? Simple, nice and simple. And I love how it marries up to this. The only thing that I'll probably do next, I might get the carbon flash wide body trim pieces as well, because they don't match. That's like matte, this is shiny. This matches with all the other trim pieces like this and this. The only other thing I'm gonna probably clean up is this right here. And Rocks was just tearing this thing up, and that's coming directly from the tires. Look at man. Look at man. That looks good. Now, we do the other side and call it a day. Give me 1 second. So one thing I forgot to do, guys. Something real simple. On the rears, they actually have focus. These little metal clips, so we can get the screws to bite on something. Went to the back after I put them all on and started trying to screw them on, and well, wasn't cooperating. Looked inside the hole and realized it's actually on the part. So listen, I've watched a lot of these videos and I miss a couple of steps. I don't excuse the instructions on very complicated installs. This is a very simple install, but because it's so simple, and I can't tell you how many how many of these videos I watch. That's been, anytime I'm sitting down chilling, man, I've been watching nothing but Corvette videos. Installs, driving, rate, you name it. And unfortunately, I skipped this one. So, no big deal, man. Easy correction. So all I'm gonna do is take these off the old ones, put them on the new ones, put it back on, screw the screws in, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. All right? Yep. All right, guys, let me show you this. This is real simple, man. These things come off real easy. And if I can do this with one hand, I'll show you. This thing just slides right off. Look at that. Let's see. See, it's coming off right now. Just slide off. Boom. That's simple. Putting on should be just as simple. Remember, this little knob that goes towards the top, this stays at the bottom. Slide this thing on, that gets over the hole, and that's it. Focus, there we go. That's it. Now we put it back together. Whew. And just like that, man, we got everything on. So I just want to show you guys, man, they actually give really good, they have really good instructions. I'm not, you know, this is just me not, you know, wanting to do it myself based on all the video that I found. It's really good instruction. They walk you through everything, tell you everything you got to do. Yeah, man, I just, you know, I'll be trying to do my own thing. Just trying to do my own thing, man. But they look good on the car. Look at this with the boxes. We can put these boxes away, store those. Man, they look good. All right, so let me, I'm not gonna wrap the car, take the cover off the entire vehicle. I will, however. Good Lord, I don't like that. It's not good. I don't like the way that. Show y'all, man, about where we are with some of this progress. And we do a quick walk around, man. See if we can do some little slow-mo action. Give me a second.
Young Shy Beats. Purchase their tracks today.
done, man. Just put my touch on it, you know? Making them my own. And I'm loving it. I'm loving the direction we going. Yes, still got a few more things to do. And yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, we got some pretty cool stuff coming for the vet, man. I'm excited. I'm excited for y'all to see it, you know, because I think it's gonna be pretty dope. Trying not to make it average, man. It can't just stay average. We gotta take it up a notch, man. Gotta take it up a notch, man. Don't want this to be your just, you know, the mundane C7. It's I mean, let's talk about it, man. It ain't average right off the bat. It's a Z06, baby. Ain't nothing average about that. Just we don't do the average, bro. Nah, we don't do the average, man. Nah. Why is that? Bruh, we were designed and created by greatness. Bruh, the greatest of all time. And because of that, man, you have the right, the authority, the duty to not be average. So guys, don't be